She never know how to tell him she was in love with a countryman. Fire was burning, Lord, burning, yeah. So she fell in love with Randy McLaren. Then, Empress, for you, me woulda follow Muta, start walk without shoe. Me say for you, me have a line in my heart where ya roar for you. Country to town, me woulda trod for you, for make you happy, and that my born for do. So you see it's true, my mission on earth not complete without you. To overstand my love for you, you don't need no syllabus. Just overstand all me need is a trust. The two of us together, we not sing solo. We melodious like a chorus. So all who jealous and envious, make them know so them can't divide us because what? The Almighty guide us. Me say for you, me woulda follow Muta, start walk without shoe. Yes, Rasta. Me say for you, me have a line in my heart where I roar for you. Country to town, me woulda trod for you, to make you happy. And that my born for do. So you see it's true. My mission on earth is complete with you. You're a lioness, man a lion. On earth, the two of us recreating Zion. Magnetic lady, you attract me. So me stand firm in your life like iron. A permanent shoulder to lion. And if you leave for long, me will bawl for you. Because words can't fully explain how me feel for you. Me woulda follow Muta, start walk without shoe. So for you, me have a line in my heart where I roar for you. Country to town, me woulda trod for you. To make you happy, and that my born for do. So you see it's true. My mission on earth is complete with you. You are a strong black woman, top of the line, and you always stay up on top of my mind. You work hard, stay up on top of the grind. You work smart, yeah, can track off a sign. And if a rubbish a go on, you're not afraid to resign. And them little thing there make you one of a kind. So from me to you, happy Valentine's. You see, to me, you epitomize natural beauty. Loving you are my natural duty. Me say for you, me woulda follow Muta, start walk without shoe. For you, me have a line in my heart where I roar for you. Country to town, me woulda trod for you. To make you happy, how am I born for do? So you see it's true. The mission on earth not complete without you. From me, Randy McLaren, to you, Empress. Bless.